How to start a manufacturing brand, the Madam C.J. Walker blueprint. What if the next global manufacturing brand started with you? In the early 1900s, a woman born to formerly enslaved parents built one of the most powerful manufacturing and distribution businesses in American history. Her name was Madam C.J. Walker. She started by making hair products in her kitchen, and eventually built an international manufacturing and distribution empire. She became widely recognized as America's first self-made female millionaire. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how Madam C.J. Walker built her manufacturing empire, how she expanded into international markets, and a step-by-step blueprint you can follow today to start your own manufacturing brand for apparel, accessories, or hair care. If she could do it over 100 years ago, imagine what's possible today. Part 1. The story of Madam C.J. Walker. Madam C.J. Walker was born Sarah Breedlove in 1867. She worked as a washerwoman and earned barely over $1 a day. But she faced a problem many women faced at the time: hair and scalp health issues. Instead of accepting the problem, she decided to create a solution. She began experimenting with hair formulas and eventually developed a product called Madam Walker's Wonderful Hair Grower. But the real genius wasn't just the product, it was the business model. She started manufacturing her own products, packaging them, and selling them directly to customers. Then she expanded. She trained women to become sales agents, creating one of the earliest global direct sales distribution networks. Her agents sold products across the United States, in the Caribbean, in Central America. By the early 1900s, she had a factory, a beauty school, thousands of sales agents. Her headquarters and manufacturing plant were built in Indianapolis. Her agents were trained not just in beauty, but financial independence and entrepreneurship. By the time she passed away in 1919, she had built a business worth millions. Her story proves something powerful. Manufacturing doesn't start with a huge factory. It starts with an idea and the courage to produce it. Part 2. The manufacturing opportunity. Today, manufacturing is more accessible than ever. You can launch product brands in industries like apparel accessories, hair care, grooming products, beauty and wellness. And you don't even need a factory at the beginning. Many successful brands start with small batch production, contract manufacturers, private labeling. The goal is simple: create a product, then scale production, exactly like Madam C.J. Walker did. Part 3. Step by step. How to start a manufacturing brand. Step 1. Identify a real problem. Every great manufacturing company starts with a problem to solve. Madam C.J. Walker saw the need for better hair and scalp products. Ask yourself, what problem can your product solve? Examples: hair growth products for textured hair, eco-friendly clothing, durable travel accessories, beard care products for men. The bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. Step 2. Choose your product category. 3 great beginner manufacturing industries: apparel, t-shirts, activewear uniforms, streetwear accessories, bags, jewelry, hats, scarves, hair care shampoo conditioner, hair oils, beard products. Choose one niche first. Don't try to launch 50 products at once. Madam Walker started with one main product. Step 3. Develop your product. Now you create your prototype. For example, hair products. Work with cosmetic chemists or private label labs. Apparel. Create samples with pattern makers. Accessories. Develop prototypes with small manufacturers. Many successful brands start with small production runs of 50 to 500 units. This allows you to test the market before scaling. Step 4. Find a manufacturer. You have 3 options. 1. Private label manufacturing. Factories already make the product. You simply add your branding. 2. Contract manufacturing. Factories produce your custom design. 3. Small batch production. Local makers produce small quantities. Countries known for manufacturing include United States, China, Turkey, Portugal, Vietnam. Start small, scale later. Step 5. Build your brand. Manufacturing success isn't just about the product, it's about the story. Madam Walker built her brand around empowerment, education, financial independence. Think about your logo, packaging. Mission: people don't just buy products, they buy brands they believe in. Step 6. Create a distribution network. This was Madam Walker's secret weapon. Instead of only selling herself, she trained sales agents. Today, your distribution can include e-commerce websites, Amazon, TikTok Shop, retail stores, global distributors. You can even build brand ambassadors who sell your products internationally. Part 4. Building a global brand. Madam C.J. Walker didn't just build a business, she built a movement. Her sales agents operated across the United States, the Caribbean, Central America. Her products were shipped globally. Today, global distribution is easier than ever. You can sell worldwide through Shopify, Amazon, global shipping partners. A small product idea can become an international brand. The manufacturer mindset. The most powerful lesson from Madam C.J. Walker is this: she didn't wait for the opportunity, she manufactured it. She started with one product, small batches, a powerful vision. And she built an empire. The next global manufacturing brand could start with your idea today. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more videos about global manufacturing, entrepreneurship, and building international brands. And remember, the world doesn't just need more consumers, it needs more manufacturers.